everybody, my name is Francis. Welcome once again for coming around. Yes, this is my channel, and I want to show you um, a particular business you can do and make your money and grow your money. Yes, making your money and grow your money, two things at a go. You can stick to this business, you will make something out of it. Yes, you will make money out of it. Trust me, I am a living testimony, and I'm still making money with my own strategy. So um, if you can listen to me from the beginning to the end, then lastly, I will give you my strategy. Is that good? Hmm? Okay. All right. Should I go? Okay. I will give you it only if you can stay till the end of the video. Then I will show you my strategy. And if you use that strategy, you make something out of it. Yes. Okay. I know some of you have been itching to hear the business I'm about to introduce to you because I have been doing it and it's working for me. And the business I'm talking about is a POS business. POS business. You can. I'm making it, and you can. If you can do that, you can. If you can beat your chest, you can. Yeah, this is one good thing about this business. It doesn't matter you have money or not. Yes, you can still make your money. You can still make your money. Okay, let's see how it goes. All right. Uh, I say the POS business. Who can tell me what is POS? Yes, because so many people don't even know what is POS. Mhm. Even me at initial time, I was asking what is POS, POS. Okay, let's go this way. POS is point of sale. POS is point of sale. Yes, you do the business, the transaction where you anywhere and do it anywhere. Be it your house, be it in your business area, be it in the church, be it in the market, be it in the whatever, wherever. You can do it anywhere. Point of sale. You can sell it. You can do your business anywhere. Yes. All right. That is even the good thing about the business because it doesn't matter where you are. First of all, you need to get a place. Yes. It's very good to get a place. Yes, people can locate you. It's very, very important. When you locate a place, people can locate you. You will make something out of this business and be successful with this business. Yes. All right. Finding a place people will locate you where there is traffic, people going up and down, people passing, going to the market, come back from the market, from the church, wherever, whatever. Yes, it's very, very important. When you have a place like that, you step through. You started the business, so it is without even having the money, without even having the machine. I started with app. Yes, I started with app. Introduce me about it more especially. If you are in Nigeria, you know about OPay, you know about Money Point. I started with OPay. They assigned machine to me, which I later bought outright. Yes, because they later started selling it outright. So I have to buy mine. The OPay POS machine I have now is mine. I bought it outright. But I still have Money Point. But Money Point is not outright. They are on lease. Yes, that's how we do it. All right. How do you start? Get a place where there is traffic. And after getting a place where there is a traffic, try as much as possible to locate it where there's people around you. Yes. After you get a place for that POS business, then the next thing to do is that you apply for POS machine. Yes. Through an agent, or you can go to the office, ask for the office, or browse about the office. If you have an Android phone, browse about the office, then you locate to their office, you apply for the POS machine. Then after applying for the POS machine, then you wait for them to call you for pickup. Yes. Then After picking up your machine, what next? Most of the agents try as much as possible to educate you on how to make use of the POS machine, and they avoid how you can avoid some mistakes. They will help you to go far on that situation. So not everything that we teach you, but even if they don't teach you everything, the majority of what they knew will help you a lot. And when you are being taught about that, then the next thing to do is apply your own wisdom and flow it accordingly. Yes. How do you get your customer? How to find your customer is where my strategy comes in. Yes, because it's very, very important. Now, I will not tell you about my strategy until the end of this video, but try as much as possible to treat your customer as good as anything. When you treat your customer as good as anything, they will always come to do business with you. They will always like to do business with you. They won't trust any other person. They won't like to do business to any other person except you, which is very, very important. When you grow your customer like that, you find out at the long run, you make a huge and large number of customer. Yes, it's very, very important. Yes, so treat your customer good, treat them well so that they will like to come back once again. So having a banner is one of the ways which your customer can locate you. So it's very, very important to have a banner. But knowing too well that you don't have enough fund, you can start without a banner. Then at a long run, you can be able to purchase one. All right. Then what next? Source fund from every individual who can. They will be able to provide you with funds that after at the end of the day, they will then you transfer back to them or give them cash if the case may be, as the case may be. Cash is very, very important in this business. Yes, it's very, very important in this business. You need to have cash for your customer because anybody that are into POS business without cash to lose a lot of customers. There's a lot of people that even don't like to go to bank that can give you their cash so that at the end of the day you transfer the money back to them. Yes, but the only thing you have to be very reliable. When you say yes, your yes is yes, and when you say no, your no is no. If you don't do that, people might not trust you and give you their hand-earned money. Yes, because some people may have a trust issue with you. Yes, so but if you are reliable, they will always give you cash to transfer back to them after your business in the day. If you started from early stage watching my video, then you hear when I say that I have a strategy that I will share with you for this business, and I will tell you at last. And before I say that, at the start now, I started with OPay. I started with OPay. Then next is Money Point, and two of them I'm still doing the business. I'm still doing the business with two of them. I have one OPay machine and two Money Point machine like this one. Yes, and I'm still doing the business. Though the POS business is not my main business, but I have people that are doing the business for me, and I'm monitoring it as I can. If anybody come to do business with you, transaction with you, and make a withdrawal, and his or her bank debited her without paying him or her, make sure that you resolve that issue. When you resolve that issue, that person will always come around to do PS with you, and promise them that there's no loss of money whenever they are doing business with you, and do as such. If anything happens like that, make sure that you follow it up and recover the money. When you do that, that person will always come around. That is the secret. If you can be able to do that, that person will always come around and do PS with you. Yes. And with that, you grow your customers. Grow your customers. I don't believe in any business I ventured into. Some people are saying that it has been saturated or something like associated with that, that they are not making any money out of it. The only thing that you have your strategy. When you have your strategy, you will make it. Honestly, I tell you the truth. If you have your strategy, try to solve people's problem during that business. Make sure that whenever they bring problem for you to solve, try as much as possible to solve that issue. If you do that, that person will never forget you. That person will always come around. That is the secret. If you can do that, your POS business will flourish. Even people will like to give you money to deposit for them, and they go about their their different work or their different businesses. Even if you transfer that money at the evening, knowing too well that you are doing POS, they will always recommend that because they know that you eventually you always deposit their money. As good as that, that's the secret. If you can be able to do that, you are winning. You have already won. Honestly. Then another thing I want to add to this is about investing because I was telling you about investments before. Then let me tell you, make sure that you save as low as 5% and as maximum as 15% of your income. Yes, if you do that at the end of the month, you save 15%, 10%, 5%. If you do like 2, 3 months, try to reinvest that money in another thing. If you reinvest that money in another thing where it will yield money for you, you find out that before the end of the year, you you will be amazed of what what how your money will grow. You'll be amazed how your money will grow. Then, if you can be able to invest that money in uh, food stuff that we always when that's when you always resell the food stuff, it will yield extra income for you. Do that. But if you are us that always looking forward to have one online business or the other, you can invest it in an online stock exchange. You can go to brokerage firm to open account with them and start investing your money in stock. But me particularly, what I do is that I invest my money in uh, online stock exchange, and very soon I would like you people to for you to comment about that so that I will do video about it, how you can reinvest your earning to stock market so that you grow your money. I'm not talking about crypto. I'm doing crypto, but I'm not talking about crypto. I mean the real stock market. Yes, mostly I invest in stock markets like US stock. US stock is mostly where I invest my income, more especially my saving income. Yes, when I save at the end of the month, I use that and buy share in US stock market. If you are interested on that, DM me in this in comment section so that I will do video about that. I would like you to uh, subscribe, share my video so that whenever I drop a video like this, then you become one of the first person to be notified. Yes, with that we can forge ahead and grow the community so that we can win together. And thank you and God bless you.